Hey guys, Andrew King here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download BlueStacks on any Windows PC that you have. Whether you have Windows 7, 8 or 10, you're going to be able to download BlueStacks on it. Now let's get right into the video. All you have to do is click the link in description, or copy it and paste it on your browser, and then click enter. It's gonna take you to this page. It's really simple to download. All you have to do is disable your ad blocker. If you have an ad blocker, just click on it and click refresh right here. Now once you do that, once you make sure to do that, all you have to do is scroll down right here and click on I'm not a robot. This will take literally a couple of seconds. Now once you do that, you're gonna select the pictures. Once you select the pictures, you're gonna scroll down and click on this blue button. This is really simple, guys. Just follow my steps. Now you're gonna close this window. This is a pop-up. Then you're gonna have to wait for 20 seconds right here. It says your link is almost ready, so you're gonna wait 20 seconds with you. As you can see, guys, it's 7 seconds right now, and once the timer hits 0, we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna click where it says get link. Now once we do that, automatically BlueStacks will start to download on our Windows. So whether you have Windows 7, 8 or 10, you're going to be able to download BlueStacks. Just click on start download. Now as for the installation process, it's really simple. All you have to do is click install, then click on next. Then you're gonna leave the software to download. I think it's 200 megabytes. You're gonna leave it for like a minute. Whether you have, it depends on your internet speed. You're gonna leave it for a while. Then once it's downloaded, you just click on finish and you can launch BlueStacks and you can use it on your Windows PC. So I hope you like this video. Please hit that thumbs up, and if you have questions, leave them in the comment box, and